Some survivors of sexual assault call a new sweeping Minnesota law a significant victory for getting justice. It eliminates a legal loophole that made it hard for prosecutors to hold someone responsible if alcohol was involved. New at 10, one survivor told Caroline Cummings that starting tomorrow, the system will better protect others.
State Representative Marion O'Neill spent years working to right the wrongs that she says plagued Minnesota's laws on sex crimes.
Well, I wanted to fix it.
Suddenly this spring, a little-known legal loophole she'd been trying to change burst into public view, drawing hundreds to the state capitol demanding action.
Hi, my name is Isabel Walker, and I'm going to give you guys a little history lesson.
The Minnesota Supreme Court had just unanimously overturned the conviction of a man who raped a woman a jury found to be mentally incapacitated and unable to consent to sex. But the victim took a prescription narcotic and drank alcohol willingly, the court ruled, running at odds with the law's plain definition of mentally incapacitated, a term only used for those who get intoxicated against their will, like sipping a drink spiked with something.
They ruled as the law was written. They were right on the law. They were wrong on, in the sense of the justice for victims.
My life changed that night.
Allie Neesmith wrestled with self-doubt for months after it happened, questioning what she could have done differently.
It was easier to accept, or to think, I should say, that it was my fault than it was to accept that someone did a very sinister thing to me.
In March 2019, the now 27-year-old says she went out for a night of drinks with coworkers. She says she asked to crash at a colleague's house after they went out since she was too intoxicated to get home. That's all she remembers before waking up the next morning confused and distraught.
I woke up the next morning, because that's the last thing I remember, and my clothes were on the ground and I was naked.
Hours later, she got a text, the jarring missing link that pieced it together.
Are you sure? You can say it? I can say it.
That's Allie the night everything changed for her. Her alleged assaulter took the video and then sent it to her, joking about it all.
I didn't have the option to compartmentalize it anymore.
She came forward to police. He was charged, a glimmer of hope that the video would seal his fate until that dimmed.
But it doesn't change the circumstances that I wasn't intoxicated without my consent. I was intoxicated by my own doing.
Neesmith represents the very type of survivor advocates and prosecutors say Minnesota law for decades has failed. She fell into the intoxication loophole. The man accused of sexually assaulting Neesmith faces fifth-degree criminal sexual conduct, a gross misdemeanor. If convicted, he would not be put on the Minnesota Predatory Offender Registry.
It feels like an epidemic, but a silent one that no one wants to talk about.
It's cases like hers that left prosecutors like Kelly Moeller with few options to bring cases like this to justice in court.
There are other statutes too, but they just didn't cover enough of the situations that we've been seeing.
Moeller is an assistant Hennepin County attorney and Minnesota state lawmaker who worked with O'Neill in bipartisan fashion. Victims, advocates, attorneys, and law enforcement also weighed in, putting forth well-vetted proposals in a report earlier this year.
It was our duty to change the law.
This June, they did. The Minnesota legislature passed a sweeping bill that changed the mentally incapacitated definition to include victims who chose to get drunk or high and then couldn't consent.
So this is a significant victory for survivors and advocates and others who want to bring these cases to justice.
Is it frustrating that it took this long to change it in a substantive way?
I think it's frustrating that we tolerated that attitude for so long, that if a woman drinks and you get raped, it's on you, it's your fault.
Neesmith says she's grateful the legislature updated a law largely untouched for generations, but the hard work is really just beginning. Society, she says, needs to believe survivors.
The laws at the end of the day are writing. We need people who believe in them in order for them to matter.
Caroline Cummings, WCCO 4 News.
The law on involuntary intoxication dates back to the late 1800s. The massive overhaul of sexual conduct laws also includes getting rid of the statute of limitations.